Hi guys, I'm going to show you uh, how to put batteries on on Yukaman Wally's remote control. So to put batteries in it, you might have to use a screwdriver like this one with the flat head to unscrew this screw. And oh yeah, and you got to unscrew it like this, turning it to the right. And then you you take the cover off, and I will grab 3 double-A's to show you how to install them into this remote control. And here's the batteries. One of them almost falls off. Okay, here's the 3 double-A batteries. We'll, we will put on the on the Yukaman Wally's remote control or controller. Here's how I do it. Um, if, if you see those contacts, that's the one with the spring is the positive, and I don't know, the other one with the spring is the negative, and the other one is the one that's flat. The flat one is the positive. And remember, guys, this one goes to the spring, and this one goes to the flat contacts. So I put this battery here. It's first battery. There we have it. And the next one is I think this battery spring is here, and this might be negative and negative up here and positive down here. So, and here's the battery. I think this is this this contact or whatever goes on the flat contact, and same thing as the other one. This one goes to the spring one, the negative. No, and goes here, and on this, and on here you might have to do the same thing as here to put the same battery. I know, put this battery, and oh yeah, and again, just like on this one, this is the negative, and the battery spring. I think it's the negative. This one and this one are both negative, and this one are up here are the positive, the flat contact ones. And oh yeah, and to put this cover back on, you have to rescrew it. Put it by to, to screw it back on, like turning the screwdriver to the left, and there we have it. Let's see if this does work on the Yukaman Wally. And this switch this is the off position, and to turn it off. I know, to turn it on. And I will turn the Wally as well. let's see. I think this is the one with the charge. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, you can see the controller is working fine. Watch. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Drop a like to this video, subscribe to Santiago Restrepo Pardo, turn on my post notifications, and write a comment. And I think that's how you how to install the batteries in the Yukaman Wally's remote controller. So thank you guys for watching, and bye. Okay.